and welcome back for math. We are going to start with subitizing today. All right, put it up on your hands and tell me how many you see. Go. 0, very good. 5, very good. How many do you see? 4, very good. How many do you see? 1, very good. How many do you see? 6, very good. 2, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very, very good, class. Let's go ahead and get started with our number writing. If you haven't already, go ahead and take out a notebook. Go ahead and watch the Pink Fong number writing video and write numbers 0 to 10. If you would like to go above 10, that would be amazing. But do write your numbers, and I would love to see pictures of your work so that I know how your number writing is going. And I'm happy to give you tips or give you some ideas on how to keep practicing writing numbers. So fill in those numbers on your notebook, 0 to 10. Let's go ahead and get started with number recognition. When I point, watch my clicker to the bottom. Say the number loud and proud. Ready? 1, 6, loud and proud. 3, 10, 2, 4, 0, 8, 5, 7, 19, 17, 15, 14, 9. Very, very good, class. Let's do some shapes. What is this shape? Hexagon. What is this shape? Triangle with 3 sides. What is this shape? Diamond. What is this shape right here? Rectangle. What is this shape? Circle. What about this one? Square. How about this one? Oval and diamond. Very, very good. Let's do some 3D or solid shapes. Tell me, what color is the cone? Look at the pictures and tell me, what color is the cone? Light blue. Very, very good. What color is the prism? Yellow. Excellent. What color is the cube? Dark green. Very good. What color is the cylinder? The cylinder. What color is it? Orange. Very good. Remember, a cylinder is like a can of Coke or a can or a water bottle. Very good. What color is the sphere? The sphere. The sphere is dark blue. Good. And what color is the pyramid? What color is the pyramid? Light green. Very, very good. All right, let's do this problem together. Jaden is counting by ones. He says 6, 7, 8, 9. What number comes next? He says 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys know what comes next. Tell me. 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, let's see if you picked the right one. Did y'all say 10? Very, very good. So the answer is 10 because he's counting by ones. That means every time he's going up by 1. He's adding 1 every time. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. Excellent. Let's go ahead and get started. Today we are going to practice counting to 20 and making piles for tens. That means we are going to be looking at pictures of things that are in groups of tens and some extra ones. It's just like our calendar. We see a 10 frame and some extra ones every day, right? And that's what we put in our place value chart. And look over here. Doesn't this look just like our place value chart? It does, except without the hundreds column, because do we have 100 umbrellas here? No, so we don't need a hundreds column right now because it's just gonna be 0. But we do have a tens column and we do have a ones column. So we are going to do just like we do during calendar and look and count how many we have and put them into the tens column and the ones column and then read what the total number is. Got it? All right, so let's start with the umbrellas. Miss Husing's going to do an example first and model it, and then you can try the next one. So I am seeing a group of 10 umbrellas. I know that because it's 5 and 5, which makes 10. So I see one group of 10. Let me check and make sure I don't have two groups of 10. So I see one group of 10 and nope, that's not a group of 10. So I know I have only one group of 10. So I'm going to put that one under my tens frame, under my tens column, excuse me, because I only have one group of 10. Now I have to fill out my ones column, and I'm looking at these extra umbrellas here that are my extra ones. How many extra ones do I have? Let me count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I see 3 extra umbrellas. I've already got my 10 written down, and now I need to put 3. I'm going to put 3 in the ones column because do we have 3 tens? Nope, we only have 3 ones. So now that I have a 1 in my tens column and a 3 in my ones column, let's read the number that I wrote. With 1 10 and 3 ones makes the number 13. Very, very good. And if I want to count and check and make sure I got the right number, 13, I can count my umbrellas. 10, 11, 12, 13. Good job. We did it. All right. Now on this next one, I want you to help me. All right. Let's look first for a group of 10. Point to a group of 10 you see on your screen. Right. This group right here is a group of 10 because you see 5 and 5. And if you weren't sure, that's okay. You can count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we found our group of 10. So we have one group of 10 at least. Let's double check and make sure the rest of the cats don't make another group of 10. Does this group of cats make 10? No, there's only 1, 2, 3, 4 cats here. That's not 10. So what number are we going to put in our tens column? How many groups of 10 do we have of cats? Just one, right? Just this group of 10 right here. So that's one group of 10. Awesome. Now that we have our tens, we need to count the extra ones. So count the extra ones and tell me how many should go in our ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4. I heard somebody say 4. 4 should go in our ones column because we have 4 extra ones, just like on our math or calendar chart. All right, so let's read this number together that we made with 1 10 and 4 ones. Makes the number 14. Very, very good. And if we count 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, we know that we got it right. Very, very good. All right, now let's do the pineapples. All right, I'm going to let you guys help me out on this one. So look for a group of 10 and point to a group of 10 that you see. I should see you pointing to a group of 10. All right, there's one. Exactly. So here's 5 and 5. So we know we have one group of 10 at least. Let's double check and make sure that there's not another group of 10. So we already looked at this group. How about this right here? Is that a group of 10? It is. Oh my goodness. 5 and 5 makes another group of 10. So how many groups of 10 do we actually have down here of pineapples? 2 groups of 10. 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10. So what should I put in our tens column now? A 2, because we have 2 groups of 10. We don't just have one group of 10 and a couple extras. No, we have a 1 group of 10 and another group of 10. That makes 2 groups of 10. Very, very good. Now that we have our 2 groups of 10, do we have any extra pineapples over here that are not in a group of 10? That would be our ones. No, we don't. We only have 2 full groups of 10 and 0 extra ones. So what do you think should go in our ones column? 0, because we don't have any extra ones. Very good. Let's read the number we made of 2 groups of 10. What number is this? 2, 0 makes 20. Everybody say 20. 20. 2 groups of 10 makes 20. Very, very good. And if we were counting by tens, we could count 10, 20, just like in our 10 song, or we could count them all together. 5, 10, 15, 20, or 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. All of those ways work, as long as you have 2 groups in your tens column and 0 in your ones column. All right, I am going to leave this one on the screen. Please pause the video, and I would like you to draw your own place value chart with tens and ones for both, and I want you to fill it out based on the bananas and the hot dogs. And please show me what your answers are, and I will put the answers in a second, and you guys can check and make sure you got it right. So pause the video now, get out your notebook, and write your answer in the tens and the ones column, please. All right, students, welcome back. I hope that you wrote your own answers in your own notebook. And if you want to double check, you can see that the bananas has 1 group of 10 and 7 extra ones, which makes us put 1 group of 10 in the tens and 7 in the ones, which makes a total of 17 bananas. I hope you got that one. Very good. And for the hot dogs, we have 1 group of 10, 5 and 5, and 1 extra 1. So we put 1 in the tens column because we had 1 group of 10, and 1 in the ones column because 1 extra 1, which makes a total of how many hot dogs? 11. Very, very good, class. All right, after this video, I would like you to do some math centers, do a worksheet if you have it, practice those number writing if you haven't already. I would love to see your numbers and you practicing writing those. Work with manipulatives or do some online math games. I will see you later, class. See you tomorrow for more learning.